Hey y'all, we are going to make the most fun recipe, old-fashioned Butter Swim Biscuits. So I've had these a long time ago. It's actually been a long time since I've had them, but they're so decadent. I mean, they're swimming in butter. So they're so yummy. I thought it would be fun to make them. So what I have in my bowl is 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. And I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'm going to mix that together really well. The first thing you do is mix your dry ingredients almost in all of things that you bake. It just helps it. Whenever I was measuring up flour and everything, I kind of made a mess. But anyway, so it's 2 cups of buttermilk. So what I'm going to do is add this slowly. Whoop! It really, buttermilk, you can really tell it's buttermilk. And then whenever you mix the liquid ingredients and your dry ingredients, you want to mix them only until they're mixed. You don't want to beat them or over-mix them. You want some lumps to be in there, because if you don't, then the biscuits will be tough. So anyway, while I'm mixing this together very carefully, I want to tell y'all thank you so much for following me, subscribing. I'm just having so much fun as our Miss Dana's Kitchen family grows, and I appreciate y'all so much. So please share these videos. I think this one's going to be a lot of fun. And this is a very loose dough, as you can see. But it smells good. Oh my gosh, y'all, it already smells like biscuits. Wow. Yummy, right? Can't you just smell them? I can. So what then you do is you melt 1 stick of butter and you pour it in your square pan. So it's very important that your pan has sides high enough so that once you put in your dough, the butter doesn't run over. So I'm going to pour my melted butter in my pan, just all over it. And then I'm going to add the dough. Whoopies, a little bit didn't get mixed in. Let me mix it in real quick. Okay, now it's all mixed. I'm going to add the dough to the butter in my square pan that's tall enough so the butter doesn't run over. Just gotta get everything. I hope y'all are doing well. It's Sunday evening, already dark outside. We've had a great day. We went to church. It was rainy and kind of chilly, but we've had a great day. I hope you've had a great day too. Okay, so there's the batter in our pan. Now you just kind of roll it out or push it out so that it goes to all 4 corners. And then you can see that the butter is going to swim on your dough, and it's going to be delicious. So just be patient. You know, it might take a minute, but it'll be okay, because it'll be worth it whenever you have your end result. So you do need to make sure that it goes to all 4 corners so that the biscuits are the right size or depth. Okay. Looks like that's pretty good. Now you can tell that the butter is just going to swim on the biscuits. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at there. It is going to be yummy. This is a great recipe for ball games because it's so easy. And then you can just have like barbecue pork or something with it if you don't want to have it for breakfast. So what I'm going to do is take my spatula, my mama's spatula from Cutco. That's sweet. And you divide it into 9. So you just kind of, a third here, a third there, a third there, and a third there. Now I've got my oven preheating to 450. Then I'm going to bake it for about 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'll show you how to get these yummy biscuits look once they come out. Butter Swim Biscuits, y'all. Sounds like a plan to me. Okay, y'all, here are our amazing Butter Swim Biscuits. They look divine, and my kitchen smells so good. So anyway, I tried to take one out, but they're still so steaming hot. I don't want to mess up the pan, but you can see that they're just swimming in butter and so yummy. Bon appetit, y'all.